Hello PMU artists, this is Lulu Siciliano, PMU artist trainer and co-founder of Microbeau, Even Flow Colors creator. Today we're gonna do a quick overview of our newest machine is Bellar V2. What is the special and unique about this machine? As a PMU artist, we are all day long we're doing short, very precise movements. That is why we need very comfortable device that fit in your small hand. This machine is only 81 gram weight and is perfect for any female hand. With new 2.7 millimeter stroke, this machine is perfect for all lining and shading work, which is make this machine perfect for any procedures like powder eyebrows, lip blush techniques, scar camouflage, paramedical tattooing. This machine packs a lot of color without trauma. Imagine work without redness, without swelling. This is a dream come true for all PMU artists. Once you open the box, you will find mini DC connector, which is very thin, lightweight, and very durable. It's very easy to connect machine. And this machine can start working from the lowest voltage. I have here 2 volts. Volts and speed is the same. So I don't recommend running this machine higher than 9 volts because it's becoming more strong and powerful. And we need something really controlled when we're working on faces. So I will show you right now that this machine can start working and implanting pigment at lower voltage. So you can start running at 2 and 3 volts. I personally am working at 4 and 5. So this is amazing when you want to implant pigment without extra trauma. And especially for the new artist, you want control power of your machine. This machine is compatible with all tattoo cartridges which is available on the market. So you have this freedom, use your favorite cartridge brand. And now let's talk about the grip, because this is something new in this machine. So this grip, it has click mechanism. So all the process of the procedure, needle stays stable. It means that it's not twisting, it's not changing the needle throw. And this is very important when you're working on the faces. This mechanism allows you to get even pattern, perfect pixel, and even pigmentation during PMU process. It will increase quality of your work. With this machine, the sky is the limit. Let me know if you have any question and comment below. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.